Hello viewers, it's me Gautam Veerabatani. The Google Ads new interface is very confusing and I know that you're struggling to set up your website conversion action or offline conversion tracking and it's being very difficult and PIA. So today I'm here to help you out with it. I created a dummy account to show you all. So generally you go to goals and you click on conversions, and in conversions you go to summary. In summary, you will be clicking create conversion action. This is where the new interface comes into play. So the new interface shows this. So if you want to track your conversions on your website online, you can go with conversions on a website. If you want to track offline conversions, you'll go with this. So for now, I'll show you how we'll be tracking conversions on a website. You'll click on continue. So click on continue, and here you will be choosing what all you want to measure. Is it a purchase event, or is it a qualified lead, converted lead, sign up, subscribe, submit lead form, book appointment, request code, contact, add to cart, begin checkout, get directions, page view, outbound click. So you can go with any of these events that you want to measure for your Google Ads campaign. So if it's an e-commerce, definitely you'll go for purchase. So in purchase, you'll be seeing the events that you'll have to add to go into the campaign. So click on add an event to this category. You'll If it is an offline, you'll go with offline. If it's online, the web, you'll go with the browser or the server side using the G tag. Click on web, and click on create a manual event. Name the event, for example, purchase AOV high, let's assume, because we'll be helping you measure or track high OV purchases. So you click on use an event. So here you'll be, if you click on the settings, you'll be seeing same regular old interface, old UI. So then in the new UI, you will see the old UI. So here is the same, use same value for each conversion, use different value for each conversion. This will help you with the value based bidding and all of that, and you can see how many conversions to count per click or interaction. And then you'll be seeing the click through conversion window and engaged view conversion window, view through conversion window, and attribution model that you want to choose, data driven or last click, first click, or whatever. So right now it's giving only either last click or data driven. So the first click, linear, time decay, and position based is no longer available. And then enhance conversion, so you can have to tick on this enhance conversion to improve your and or basically enhance the attribution accuracy inside your ad campaigns, and then you'll click on done. After that, you'll click on save and continue. That's all, your event is being created. After this, you'll directly go, you have multiple ways, but with customer labs, like you already know, you'll just go into customer labs, you will just map the conversion event to the conversion action that you created just here, and you'll easily be able to send all those events. I've created certain events, for example, for offline, I did this high OV purchase thing. So this is how I did. So when you click on that, you can see the settings that I have put and all that. And here you need not connect the source. Here automatically, when you integrate customer labs and Google Ads, your data keeps flowing, so you can see all the data here directly for this event. So this is how you will be able to create a conversion action in on your website. And if you want to go with the offline source, you'll just click on in the second here, add event to this category. Instead of web, you'll go with offline, and here you'll be getting event to be set up later, and you can just set it up. You can check the settings here. Conversion name, you'll write it as let's say this low AOV, because high already is there, so low AOV purchase, and then you'll click on done, and then save and continue. Event to be set up later, so event will be set up in customer labs and then pushed it to Google Ads directly. You can also add another conversion category. For example, one is purchase, second one maybe I want to measure a qualified lead, or maybe I want to measure maybe book an appointment, or maybe page view. So anything that you want, you can just add the data, be it offline and online. But for qualified leads, you will get the data from your CRM or any other offline data source. But with custom labs, again, very easy. So this is how you will be able to configure or track your conversion actions inside Google Ads and send all your conversion data into Google Ads to get every campaign attributed accurately and get all your data into one single place. Like you already know, the your data source, which Google's data manager or your data manager is something that Google bought in to have all your first party data at one single place. That still is only limited to Google. Whereas if you go with advanced 1PD ops, you'll be able to have your data at one single place for all the ad platforms, be it Google Ads or Meta Ads or whatever. So this is how simply you can create the conversion action in the new UI of Google Ads. So that's it for today. If you need more information on this or if you want to implement this, please let us know in the comments, or you can also book a demo by clicking the request a demo link. I would be sharing the video description, and you can happily book a demo with us and our experts will be happy to help you out. Or you can also read our blog, which is detailed enough to help you understand how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking within Customer Labs and also on Google Ads without missing any data, and by powering the Google Ads algorithm with high quality first party data signals. Please do join the 1PD Ops Club, a community exclusive for the top 3% performance marketers, be it lead gen or e-commerce or an agency. You're all welcome into the 1PD Ops Club community. The link is in the description.